I know it's Christmas time and it's the time of the year when Jamaicans, it's our culture to pretty up with surrounding,
Yeah.
a little painting here, a little painting there. What's your plans?
Well,
for
the new
Christmas?
talk for them have known I said doll up them place. And I know I will be dolling up my space. I've actually started a few preparations, just to get into the spirit. To, nice up my house, a little touch of paint and something. For me, for the interior paints. What do you think? What do you think is trending?
Well, nowadays persons are not really going for really, really bright colors.
That is it.
Right. People want colors that are very subtle and calm, like the grays and the beige and the
Pastel
nice
colors.
Right.
Nice.
So that's the way to go.
And you know what I love about, one of the things I love about Sherwin-Williams is that we have paint for all different type of things.
As a matter of fact, we have all colors. So
Best
any color at all that you need, Sherwin-Williams can provide.
You know what? The beauty about it, I can literally be in the space painting, no smell.
Let's talk about those paints.
Well, for the SuperPaint air purifying, it not have no odor whatsoever, no smell, right? And the fact that we could get it in 3 different sheen levels, the flat, the semi-gloss, the satin. Flat is normally my go-to, but everybody have their own personal preference.
Persons want to be able to, clean, especially if you have children around and they touch and all of those things. So persons want to ensure or want to know that they have a paint that when the daughter or the son touch and touch,
then can clean
they can
it
always
off.
clean it, to keep your surrounding nice and clean. So guess what? So the hospitals, the daycare centers, the adult care homes.
That's it.
These are the institutions that this product
is what we'll have to recommend.
Exactly.
So the SuperPaint though, the SuperPaint exterior paint and primer one.
Let's talk about that one.
For sure. For persons who will be using those intense colors like the red and the bright green and stuff like that, we definitely need a recommended primer for that. Those are paint and primer in one, we still want to include that because preparation is always the key.
Exactly.
Nobody now got season a chicken and not put season on it.
Exactly.
You
and
understand?
as you talk about preparation, we want persons to also know that your paint will not last or your painting job will not last. Or you will not get maximum results if your surface is not prepared properly. So it is very, very, very important that you prepare your surface for painting.
Exactly.
Right?
So, and the coverage on this, the hiding capability, not just the coverage, the hiding.
Excellent
hiding, excellent washability, meaning that you can clean off your surface. Nice and smooth, back to square one.
Awesome.
For this though, it comes in the satin and the flat. Everybody knows me as a flat girl. What says you?
I am a satin girl.
See, we'll go well together.
So
flat and satin.
we have shade levels for everybody. Right.
Oh, we also have the sanitizing paint.
We have SuperPaint with sanitizing technology. That paint also is perfect for those institutions that I mentioned earlier.
So the air purifying, SuperPaint air purifying is primarily used on interior only. It must not be used on the exterior, any at all. And for the SuperPaint,
paint and primer in one is an exterior paint. When you visit any of our stores, we recommend that you give the sales associate all the information possible so that we know what exactly your needs are and we can satisfy them. And remember, we're all about solutions. So run into our stores and get your products.
And stretch your dollar.
Stretch your dollar.